Welcome back to Outside, Inside, Outside Racing. I am Ian. This is Tootie, my significant other's 1965 Suburban. It's a Chevy Suburban. Look at it. It's not necessarily an outside, inside, outside car, but it fits the theme of this episode the best, so I'm standing in front of it. Because this event that we went to that I'd like to talk about this time is called the Rumble Drags, and it takes place in Bethany, Missouri every September. Check out the Googles for it, Google it. I'll put a link down in the description below, and comment if you've been to the Rumble Drags or if you went this year and you're checking out the video. Thank you very much for stopping by. Give us a subscribe. We're doing stuff all the time in the Kansas City area. Anyway, me and the boys went last year. We went this year as well. We had a great time. I got some clips, and I'm going to tell you all about the event while we go through what we saw on this slightly hot September day. When you roll into Bethany, Missouri for the Rumble, you're not just pulling into another car show. You're stepping straight back into 1968. The smell of race fuel, the haze of tire smoke, the sound of open headers cracking through the air. This isn't nostalgia on display. This is nostalgia live and burning rubber right in front of you. Atmosphere, vibe, the strip itself feels frozen in time. There's grass in the paddock instead of perfect pavement, and every car is vintage iron. No late model builds, no new tech, just pure old school muscle, gassers and dragsters. You can get closer here than at just about any drag racing event in the country. Stand behind the burnout pit and the smoke will roll right into you. Engines screaming just feet away, and the drivers, they're not just racing, they're role-playing history. Vintage suits, bubble helmets, and gear that looks like it came straight out of a hot rod magazine that you found in Grandpa's attic. And then there are the gassers, jacked sky high with straight axles and wild stances, oddballs like a Nash Metropolitan, and even a Saab 9.6 that someone turned into a wheel-standing monster. Everywhere you look, it's frame and unibody cars reborn as drag strip freaks. But what really stopped me in my tracks were the vintage dragsters. Long, thin rails with giant slicks shoved out back, stretched frames, and engines dressed like art. Gold leaf lettering, beautiful pinstripes, lace paint jobs that shimmer in the sun. These cars don't just go fast. They're rolling pieces of hot rod art that sound so much better than they look. The history and the spirit is what makes the Rumble special. This strip's been around since 1965, and the event is built to feel like it's still 1968. Walk through the pits, and it's not just about looking at cars. It's about connecting with the people who built them. You can stick your head into almost any car, ask questions, and the owners light up, eager to share their stories. It's raw, it's real, and it's one of the friendliest scenes in grassroots drag racing. Now, the racing is pure thunder. Cars line up 2 by 2, burnouts fill the air, and the Christmas tree drops. Some go and some blow the tires off. Some wheel stand, but every single pass is a piece of living history at full throttle. Some are battling for time slips, some are battling for bragging rights. Really no trophies that matter. It's about the spectacle, the sound, and the speed. The Rumble is more than a car show because it doesn't sit still. It blasts past at 100+ miles an hour. $25 gets you in, and that money keeps the strip alive so we can all keep coming back. So you've got a vintage hot rod, dragster, anything that can go down the strip, check out the Rumble Drags, Bethany, Missouri, 2026. Be there if you're anywhere near the northern Missouri area, and you know what? Drive to get there if you got to, because it is worth it. Until then, get out in the garage, get wrenching, get out and find your own apex, even if it's in a straight line. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but do that, and long live the Rumble. And we'll see you next time.